Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's January 12th, 2024. I'm out by the leaf mold compost pile here. Just got done cleaning off the solar panel since it's a warmer day today. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to get just over 32 degrees, so maybe 33, 34 degrees. So what I thought I'd do is maybe tomorrow I'll come down here and turn the leaf mold pile, if things work out, if the weather's as good as it should be. But I thought what I'd do, since I came back here and added some compostable materials and wood ash to the leaf mold pile, I thought I'd take a ride down and back and see if we can get down there and all. So that's what we're going to do, go for a ride down and back and see how things are. Seven right up over here. It's a spillway we're driving through. Not too many deer tracks down here. They're all over in the first fruit forest and all, and the areas that I've been blowing snow. So here are a couple of the roads that I widened this past summer. And the new pond is right over in that area. Okay, no big trees down in the main drive area here. And the new pond, it appears to be all frozen over here. This is all the new pond, the peninsula there. Looks like the deer have been walking on top of the pond. The foxes do it first. There's a spillway here. New pond area all over in there. Pretty lucky so far. Beaver, this is a spillway up here that I have to keep unclogging from the beaver, blocking it off, but right now it looks good. There's all mud underneath this snow here. The coyote tracks out there. See, this is the lowest beaver pond down there. Roadway here was all widened out this year. Kind of hard to steer this in the deeper snow here. It's very thick snow. Very dense. And out there, Beaver Lodge is right out there. The Heron Rookery, the main part of it's right there. This is all the upper Beaver Pond. There's a small section of the upper Beaver Pond. We're on the base of the new property now. I'm not going to go all the way up. Base camp right here. That's all the Upper Beaver Pond. Quite a large pond, multiple acres. Never actually sat down and tried to calculate it, but it's a pretty good size. Beaver Pond up over here. Spillways are working beautifully. The main water that drains all year round through the Upper Beaver Dam, which I may go up over now. We'll see. Hard to get the wheels to steer in this snow. So this is the Lower Beaver Pond over here. This is the Upper Beaver Pond right here. We're riding on the Beaver Dam, the roadway along the Beaver Dam here. See where water's coming through. The Beaver Dam is porous, so water works its way through here all winter, all summer long. Can't appreciate it on a GoPro camera, but it is beautiful down here. It's up in the forest area there. Well, come on, baby, turn. Just pushing the snow here. Okay. Lower Beaver Pond right here. Deer prints all along in here. Swamp white oak trees in these tree tubes here. Yeah, the beaver often will have little trails going across here. They're hunkered down right now. I don't see any new signs of them being out. They got several trees that have been taken down, and one has fallen now that they started taking down, so that one's down all the way. And if they were active, they'd be munching on that bark right now. But they're staying under the ice at this point. Seven's right here again. so we've used some firewood this year so far. 4 IBC totes. I cleaned some of the snow off the truck and Elon, the excavator, and cleaned off the rest of the snow that was still on the solar panels there. That stuff is thick, heavy stuff. Knock you right over. Just older tracks that you can see around in here. Nothing, no rabbit tracks right there. Thank God we still got some rabbits. Honey huts over there. So, since I was going to come down here and check on things, I thought I'd take you along with me. Good old Pepe here, the Kawasaki Mule, does pretty well in that deep snow with these knobby tires and lift kit and all to get up above the snow. So, I guess that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I hope you folks have a safe and beautiful rest of your winter. At least those of us here in the upper states, anyways, in Canada. I hope everybody stays safe and take care. Bye-bye now.